Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by removing air and lining up the top edge. This prevents crushing and slows staling. Press the bag flat so chips settle evenly, then measure roughly 1/2 to 1 inch from the top and make a clean, straight fold. Once done, smooth the fold with your fingers to create a firm crease. You do this now because a precise first fold sets the seal, otherwise later steps won't hold. Make sure to keep crumbs away from the edge for a reliable closure. You now roll the top of the bag down over the initial crease, applying steady pressure so that air is forced out. This reduces space for oxidation. Roll once or twice, 1 to 2 tight turns, so the roll holds its shape. Then fold the little flap or edge under the rolled section, tucking it to create mechanical resistance. Once done, clip or fasten the roll with a chip clip, twist tie, or rubber band. This adds tension and prevents the roll from unspooling during storage. You finish by placing the sealed bag upright in a pantry or cabinet. Keeping it upright maintains the roll and avoids crushing. If the clip or tuck doesn't hold, open and re-roll tighter, pressing out more air before retucking. This increases friction and the closures hold. Once done, consider transferring chips to an airtight container for longer freshness. Make sure to check the seal after the first hour. If it loosens, repeat the tighter roll method to restore the closure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.